Colinear constraint. A colinear constraint forces one line to be lined up with an infinite line. So when you run these two together, they would form one line. In other words, they wouldn't cross ever if we extended them. So to do this, we're going to go up and choose our colinear constraint. I pick on it. I'm going to choose on this first one here. The first one is the master. I'm going to pick on the second one. When I pick on the second one, it's going to take on the plane of the first one. So if I were to extend this line, it would run right into this line and keep going. So these two are actually extended into the same line now. That's colinear when they run into the same line. So the second one takes on the I would call it the ray of the first one. All right, so the direction it points is the direction the second one will take. So the first one is the master, the second one takes on the properties of the master. So these two are colinear now.